Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable iMessage notifications from appearing on your MacBook. So whether you want to just disable the sound or disable the messages altogether, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do just that. So we're going to go ahead and start off by selecting the System Preferences button down in our system dock. So go ahead and left click on that. Select the notifications button, the little bell icon, and then select messages on the left side. You can disable all notifications just by toggling the master control switch over here to disable the messages notification. Otherwise, if you want to keep that on, but you can customize some of these options further down. So if you want to keep some notifications on, but perhaps disable them on the lock screen, you can uncheck that option. If you want to play sound for notifications, you can turn that off so you'll still get notifications displayed, but it won't play any sound that may be annoying to you or for whatever reason. So again, pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.